I have over 500 followers. I know what everyone ate for breakfast, who's fighting who, and their situationship drama in real time. But last month, when I was spiraling hard, I had no one to call. We won the internet and still lost at being human. This is the loneliness paradox. We're the most connected generation ever, yet 80% of us feel deeply lonely. We've got group chats and close friends lists, but no one when life actually hits. Studies show nearly 50% of Gen Z feel their real social skills have declined from living online. Digital connection is emotional junk food. Quick hit, then you feel worse. You see this knowledge everywhere. TikToks, Reddit, tweets, everyone talks about it, but no one fixes it. Deep truth. An algorithm can send you sad memes at 2 a.m., but it can't sit with you when you're falling apart. It can't hold your hand at a funeral. It just keeps you scrolling. So I ran a 10-day experiment, like a sad science project. Hypothesis: forcing small, real-life interactions every day might rebuild my social stamina. What I did: talk to one stranger daily, barista, cashier. Message one old friend. Sit in public with no headphones. Results? Comedy. Awkward as hell. My hi sounded like a hostage video. One barista gave me the death stare. Got slightly less painful. One real conversation actually felt good. Final score: still lonely sometimes, but I had real talks instead of 47 stories.
I'm doing my part.
I'm doing my part.
I'm doing my part. I didn't do fucking shit!
Small W. Here's the stupidly simple system I'm keeping. One tiny IRL interaction every day. 20 seconds is enough. Reach out to one real person weekly. Phone away in public. No headphones. Choose depth over numbers. Technology gave us friends at scale. Only real life gives us real intimacy. You don't need 500 friends. You need 3 to 5 people who won't ghost you when shit gets real. This isn't about becoming super social. It's about not feeling empty when you close the apps. If this hit too hard, drop your biggest loneliness struggle below. I might test it next. That's the diary.